What's going on, fellas? This is your brother Wasil Bay, and we are Shamstoppers. And man, we're gonna have a beautiful podcast tonight. I'm just gonna throw y'all something right now. Check this shit out. We reserve all of our rights, exercise, and assert, and our unknown rights, and waive none. Check this out. This when I was going to Virginia College for paralegals. Did you say paralegal studies right there, fellas? Right there? It says paralegal studies, right? See that shit? See all that shit? Huh? See that shit? Hey man, I got credentials, man. Again, I have credentials. You know what I mean? Do this podcast tonight, show how my baby mama want me to pay child support, and this nigga want me to pay child support too. You know what I mean? I'm gonna do y'all some good. Hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. You know I always gotta keep some books out, right? Got these books for these crooks. Y'all ready for this? See this? Contract. A contract has been defined as an agreement to do or refrain from doing a particular thing upon a sufficient consideration. Okay? Similarly, excuse me, people. Fuck. A contract has been defined as an agreement, obligation, or legal tie by what? Hold on. Excuse me for that. I gotta put this baby on the charger. Right? Which a party binds itself or becomes bound expressly or impliedly to pay a sum of money or to perform or omit to do some certain act or thing. Also, a contract has been defined as a private, voluntarily allocation by which two or more parties distribute specific entitlements and what obligation. A contract is an agreement between two or more parties that creates obligations that are legally enforceable by the contracting parties. A contract is an agreement between two or more parties creating obligations that are enforceable, otherwise recognizable at law. A contract is an agreement by two or more parties whereby obligations are created, modified, like when niggas want to go modify their child support, right? Or extinguished, right? People don't want to extinguish that shit, right? Check this out. A contract is an obligation which arises from actual agreement of the parties manifested by words, oral or written, or by conduct. The term contract has been held to include every description or agreement or obligation, whether verbal or written, by which one party becomes bound to another to pay a sum of money or to perform or omit to do a certain act. The reinstatement defines the term contract as a promise or a set of promises for the breach of which the law gives a remedy or the performance of which the law in some way recognizes a duty. And this definition has been adopted by some courts. However, this has been criticized as a curricular definition. It is the same as saying that the contract is a legally enforceable promise, but a promise is legally enforceable by only if it is a contract. A contract is not a law, nor does it make law. It is the agreement plus you. This is why we run shit in this child support arena, fellas. This is why we run shit. I ain't giving out no case law. The law that makes the ordinary contract an enforceable obligation. The following types of contracts are subject in respects to special rules that depend on their formal characteristics and differ from those governing contracts in general. Contracts under seal, reconnaissance, right? Reconnaissance, right? Negotiable instruments and documents, right? And letters of credit. Look at that. So, fellas, podcast tonight. I'm gonna show you how my baby mama and this nigga want me to pay child support because there ain't no contract or no agreement, right? And I'm gonna pull up on the Travis County website where it says the case has been closed. All right. That's a wrap. Out of here. You know what I'm talking about? Hit us up. If not, go read you some books. You know what I mean? Look, I'm not on child support on God and my daughters, my nigga. So, hit us up. Peace.